Hey everyone, in today's video we will craft a logo that's not only minimal but also has a meaningful and logical background story. So without any further delay, let's continue with the design process. Now this is the brand questionnaire. If you want to study it in detail, I have attached the link in the description. Now these are the important points from the questionnaire. As usual, first of all we have the brand name, Code Aquila, and the story behind the brand name is the name combines the idea of programming with the precision, focus, and vision of an aquila, means an eagle. About the key services, they are teaching programming and coding with the emphasis on continuous learning and skill improvement. Now, these are the relevant key points that will help us in the design process. First of all, the design must provide a minimal and modern look. Second, the logo must feature an eagle, as the brand name suggests, Aquila, which means eagle. The third point is their focus is on continuous learning, growth, and empowerment. Also, to have a powerful and impactful spark of creativity and innovation. Lastly, the design must avoid the use of coding symbols, brackets, or circuits. By using these important points, I created these sketches. And out of these sketches, I finalized this one because it has a bold, minimal, and unique visual. Let's break it down. First of all, the logo predominantly represents an eagle to emphasize on precision, focus, and vision. Secondly, the shape of the wings is designed like forward-moving arrow to represent forward thinking and innovation. And if you see closely, the wings of the eagle are designed like step-by-step rising bars to emphasize on continuous learning and improvement. Lastly, the negative space between these two wings represent a lightning bolt to visualize a powerful and impactful spark of creativity and innovation. This was the background reasoning behind this logo. Now let's design our logo in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you liked today's design process. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.